You are walking for happiness, you are running for happiness. But do you know how to be happy, how to get it, how you can get it? One day my younger brother asked me, "Brother, can you tell me how to be happy and how can I get it?" Then I answered him, "Did you help any poor man ever in your life?" He replied, "Yes, I did." "Then what was your feelings after that great work?" "It was good, it was fine, I feel good." That is the happiness, my brother. When you are doing something, after that you are feeling good, this is the happiness. When we are help other people, especially poor people, through the money, through the work or advice, whatever it is, we feel happy inside of our heart. In my case, when I help poor people, I feel so much happy. I can feel it inside of my heart. I feel my heart fulfilled now through the happiness. After this type of great work, I usually look at the sky and talk to my God with my feelings. Are you smiling on me, my God? I think maybe my God, he is shaking his head with a smiley face, which means yes, my son. That's why I think and I strongly believe that this type of great work could be your happiness. When we spend good time with our family and friends, we forget our stress, our pressure, our negative thoughts. We feel this is the best moment in my life. Yes, this is the happiness. And if you think nobody can make you happy, then spend time with your family, because only family can make you happy. Yes, only family member can remove your stress, your sadness, your frustration, your negative thoughts. When you will feel alone, then go to your family and spend your important time with them. Share your problem, any problem it could be. I'm quite sure your family will solve your problem. They never give you fall down because they knows you are the part of their lives. In my case, when I feel so much bored, I go to my family, talk to my mother. Believe me, I feel most happiest person in the world, and this is the happiness to me and the source of happiness. If you want to enjoy your life and want to see how beautiful life is, then travel a lot, as where as you can and wherever you want. Then you can realize that what is happiness. Whenever you want, just take your bag and go for travel and meet with sea, meet with mountain, meet with new culture, eat new food, talk to new people. When you will meet with them, then you would say to yourself, yes, this is the happiness. One more way to be happy, you can say it is my advice also. Please stop expecting from people, whoever they are to you. Don't even expect to God. So when you are expecting anything to people or God, if you get it, you will feel happy. If you don't get it, you will feel sad. It will break your heart. So isn't it good that don't expect? If you expect, expectation will hurt you, and if you don't expect, you will be happy. So now choice on you. And God has another plan which is better than your expectation. So you should wait that what is waiting for you. Till that, keep a smile on your pretty face all the time and love yourself more than anything. Now what experts are saying about happiness. Experts are saying you have to want to be happy, because when you will start to wanting happiness, your brain will suggest you what you need for being happy. Like some people feel happy when they buy mobile, computer or TV, anything it could be. Some people also think if I get promotion, I will be happy. And the people feel happy when they gift someone. So happiness is to you. You have to just want it, and you have to find out that which way you feel happy, and you have to react like that you are happy. You have to feel that you have everything. When you will say to yourself that it's okay, everything is alright, your brain will feel it. Your brain will feel it. Or if you say to yourself about problem like don't have money, I need it, I want it, you are feelings like you don't have anything. So always behave you are happy and speak happily. Sandeep Maheshwari said about happiness. He is an Indian motivational speaker. He said that what you want to do, whatever it is, just do it with happiness. If you don't want to do it, then don't do it with happiness. That means whatever you want to do or don't do, just do it with happiness. Which means you should act like that you are happy. What you have or don't have, it doesn't matter. You just act. You just act like you are happy. After that, your brain and body will be used to with happiness. Mahatma Gandhi said, happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do in harmony. Tom Rodett said, a person needs three things to be happy in the world: someone to love, something to do, and something to hope for. And my request, when someone asks you, hey, how are you? Every time reply them strongly with happiness and with power voice. After that answer, you will really feel happy because your brain will receive this happy word. Either if you reply normally or you are not happy, you are not fine, then your brain will feel it and it will keep bad impact on your body. So next time try this way. I think it will be helpful. Some people think that if they get money then they would be happy. That means they are unhappy just for lack of money. Maybe they don't know that lots of people, lots of rich people, they are unhappy with their lives for various problems, or they don't know how to be happy. Some of people have in the world like opposite of rich people. They don't have money, they don't have enough food, don't even have house. They are living where they can, like on the road, in park, where they can. They feel whole world is their home. Literally nothing they have in their lives without happiness. They're happy with their lives. They're happy with their family, work, little money. Shortly, they are happy with what they have. They are saying to God, what you give me, that bless to me, my God. And I'm happy with your bless. Thank you, my God. So, in conclusion, it's depend on you that which way you want to be happy. It doesn't matter what you have or what you don't have. You can be happy if you want. So you need to want for being happy in life. Thank you.